Hey guys, we are back again with another funny comedy compilation episode. This episode is going to make you laugh more than as usual, so you don't have to go anywhere. Stick around from beginning to the end and also watch and subscribe if you like this video. Alright guys, without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy compilation. Let's go!
Hello? Oh, I cannot hear you. What did you say? Eh? I can't hear you very well. I can't really hear you.
Hey! Where do you think you are going to?
There's no network inside.
There's no network.
Yes.
Don't worry, I get 5G inside my room. Hey! What is it to go with there?
Jesus.
Enough wiping for you. You want, after eating my money, eating my food, enjoy my AC, you want to go with style. I have blaq. No, you're not seeing anything.
She's not just a witch, but a snake.
Huh?
A big python. A big python indeed. Brethren, prayer. You serpent, I command you, leave this body. Leave this body. Leave this body. You are free in Jesus' name.
Where are they going? Where? What did Moscow even come to this church to do? Oh, a girlfriend.
Babe,
Jesus.
why you not follow me to talk?
No vex. I just be say snakes no dey too like disturb.
Jesus.
Which one be snake? Which kind of talk be that one now?
I am manika. So you be snake all this while. You never tell me. Me want be your boyfriend. So now me and snake now they change different style for us.
Oh.
But babe, not be me and you go church when pastor talk. And even myself not even know until today.
Talk to you. No say you be snake.
I don't know.
You don't know say be snake. Bye.
Oh, no, nah.
You carry me go POS checkpoint. Yeah. Oh yeah, now later.
Where you they go? Not be the same house today. Go. Where you want leave me go?
No. Snakes no just know. Snakes no just happy talk to person. You know happy talk. So make I carry you go for bike. But pastor when deliver you, he don't close church go out. Innocent me, come carry you go out. What if in the midnight you want to take revenge?
Look at what he's thinking. Corrupt mind.
They go, I talk and this thing never finish for your body. They go. They go.
Yeah, you said you too do. And you must do. The pastor said,
neighbor, you go tell Philip, say at the hospital.
Normally, you know, say you need hospital, Abi. As in a psychiatric hospital, now where you need for this your life like this.
What's the meaning of that
What
one?
I mean is anyone that thinks like you mentally deserves medical attention. Because not be normal person feel they talk. No involve me for your lie, yo.
So what? Come, John. See, now this the way me at the talk, so you will give you millions of naira. You know the way people they look for money for the way.
Are you sure it's not 1,000 naira you want to give?
Except so. As long as now you go to the hospital, no problem.
Oh, so you said no feed the hospital.
Hey,
listen, Jerry.
Oh, yeah, tell me, Gary.
I go call Philip now. You go tell and say at the hospital. You understand?
Okay.
You go tell and say I get a pain for my candidiasis.
Normally you get
no, you know the way that they talk. So once you just tell her say the money where the doctor they need. They say if you no provide them now, say I fit buy.
Let me go buy you if you know what.
Tell her say I fit buy.
Okay.
Tell her say the money where they need now. Nah.
Money
If you do like 35.
Many people for compound kuku contribute 35 give you since my barrier. So your empty brain no occur to you say anything of pressure na millions of naira. Anything for body na millions of naira.
You get any part of my body where cost like that?
Your own body fit
No,
no
never
cost.
tell am.
You no go pass 1K. Do 2 million, Jerry. Tell us me save 2 million for your health for the surgery what they want it for you.
No wahala.
No,
You know this plan pass me, say. Why they like involve you?
I beg you,
Oh yeah.
Call him.
Take.
Don't the ring safe. Put that for my
Put that for speaker.
Leave your phone with your short person for ear. Why your phone everywhere like this? Hello, Mr. Philip. My name is Mrs. Esosa. I'm calling from Umeh Hospital. Alright. So your friend Motell is very sick and want to carry out operation on his body, and it costs 2 million naira.
What?
So you're the only person that we have to call.
Oh my God.
So please, if you can help him now, if not, he will die.
Okay, let me send the money. Since it's an emergency, let me send the money, please.
Give him my own.
Send the money.
I got my account number.
Okay, let me send you his account number.
Okay.
00.
He's going to withdraw it. Send the hospital account instead.
Okay, that's true.
Send me the hospital account so
Okay,
you guys can
34
actually have the money.
97
Give me.
22.
Hello, Philip. I just come up from a surgery room now. They ask you they call. If you put them for my account.
You be thief.
For stupidity. Only you go win gold, silver, bronze medal. Only you go win gold, silver, and bronze medal. Because your stupidity,
I live on like that.
Motell is greedy, selfish, wicked, heartless. So you could not allow that Philip to send that thing to that girl.
Me?
You get at least report to share from me for you. Let's see to the soccer on this one, guys.
Baba, I don't agree. I don't think I can do that.
Hey,
Oh, please.
where's the toilet?
Toilet?
Yeah?
It's there.
Okay, thank you.
I'll bring the tissue for you.
So you bought this. Or you bought it even back black sheet, like black, you know what I mean? We black. Jesus.
You never see
Even that kind of bunch of dollars to clean that stuff.
Madam, tissue.
Never mind, I used my dollars already.
Dollars.
Jesus.
To clean yash.
It's okay, I'm rich. I work in Andrew Gifa company. They have the highest rates in Nigeria. They buy gift card. They are fast and reliable. Just go to download Andrew Gifa app on Apple Store, Play Store.
Hey, wait. How much dollar you use clean yash?
You have been fucking on that 10K?
16 million. You never see $10K.
Oh my God, it's
Will you tell me? Wait. Oh my God. No, don't go. Oh, shit. Look at him. This guy can't is just following him. Even pull off his clothes. Remaining bosses, like they are diving into the soccer wheel right now to get $1
Mr. Arinze, welcome to my house.
Thank you, Sir Abednego. I came in respect to the loan we talked about, and I will need it today.
I almost forgot. But first, I need to get you something. What can I get you?
It's fine, I'm okay.
No. I actually need to get you something. Okay. Peter.
That is not Peter, it's Titus, your first son.
Titus, please get him something. So I'll send you the money when I'm able to convert my crypto to Naira. You know, nowadays I don't do Naira.
You can do that now. Just use the Phoebe app to convert your crypto into Naira. It is very fast and easy to use, and they have the best rates. Thank you. Well, you can download it on the App Store, Play Store, or you can just use the link in the bio.
Beggars and updates. Now so the day.
Dissolve! Thank you so much for the drink. And thank you so much for the money. You don't know what you've done for me.
I don't know. I know what I did for you. How much I can give you? Now borrow. Sorry for me not master you.
Sir, I need to take my leave now.
Okay, no problem. It was nice doing business with you, and I hope to hear from you soon. And please, money for drink.
I thought you offered me the drink.
Offer you? I said, can I get you a drink? You offer for my mouth. But give my money, me go give the woman for herself.
Don't tell me you guys are collecting money for that drink. Let's see this one from Adian's father. Crazy clown. Maybe African girl.
I did you cook, Papa. Yes, Papa. I'm ready to your food though.
Hope you did not use too much salt. Because that's one thing I don't like about your food. You'll be using too much salt too. One of those things damage your liver. You use Maggi?
Yes, Papa, I use Maggi.
Papa, you know you have outgrown this capricone. You should be buying it. Where did you say you dish my food?
If I were there, I would go to him and join him to finish his own. We'll finish your food together. Why did you finish my food? Because you want to test. Hey, go and eat your own and know if I put my
Babe, I'm honey.
You are honey?
Yes.
I Jamie go and money. More good one for that copy.
Money.
That side now.
Baby, not again. We've done it under the bridge. Jesus. We've done it beside the gutter. Babe, when will you take me to your house?
See, it's not as if I don't have a house. I get house. I get money. But you know, say I won't marry you. Now I just gotta stay humble. I cannot be showing you my true color, and I want you to love me for who I am.
Are you serious?
If you can love me for who I am, I'll show you my true color.
Wow.
Okay.
This is one of my cheapest houses, in fact. Wait, let me get you a drink, okay?
Okay.
Don't come inside, though. I have dogs. Don't come inside.
Okay.
Photo.
So this my boyfriend get money like this.
Not they play.
Hey.
Young lady,
Good afternoon, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Who is the owner of this house?
This is my boyfriend's house.
Are you sure this is your boyfriend's house?
Yes, sir.
Are you 100% sure?
Yes, sir.
Jesus.
Boyfriend is hiding.
Can we see your boyfriend?
Hope there's no problem, sir.
No, not at all. There's no problem.
Oh my God. Like you have done something very
Babe!
bad.
Babe!
Hello? Where the car I order for now? I never deliver them.
Which one be car? Now, Wasiu they talk.
Wasiu, now you?
When you see money buy car?
Bro, Paripos don't do them again now. As I talk to you like this, I just made 45 million naira just from the Manchester United game where I play. See, if you say phone play, make sure you use the promo code BUY1 as they register. They will knock you 150k straight up.
Papa, still don't be betting they do me like this. The house where you talk to me, I can't use do fake life.
Yes.
So men now they the front of the gate, they question my babe.
Which men?
They wear suits like this.
You go be all these estate managers now, cause the landlord self don't travel. See, you know what you go do? Just go meet them and be bold.
I should be bold.
Just be bold.
Alright, no problem. I have it under control.
Are you sure it's not going to put you in trouble?
Who is that person disturbing my peace?
Photo. Young man, are you the owner of this house?
Now one of my smallest houses, this is my humble abode now. What's wrong?
This house belongs to a ritualist.
Eh?
Jesus. 3 months ago, we found 17 head of teenagers in this house.
You didn't want?
They were all beheaded in this house. Oh, after running away for 3 good months, you think you can come back here? I will not remember you for your atrocity.
Wait, I'm coming. Let me go and change line.
Officer, hurry. Jesus. If you move an inch there, this place is already surrounded if you don't know.
Jesus.
Officer,
Jesus.
move it.
Jesus.
Wanna come? Hey, wait, see, Naburuposo. It's not my house,
Your
Naburuposo.
line is a lie.
You will love it.
Oh yeah, let me call my lawyer.
You want to call your lawyer after beheading 17 teenagers and you think we want to arrest you? Oh no. We are going to behead you. Move it.
What the actual fuck?
Move it. Move.
You have landed yourself in a very big and huge trouble. Like, you see why to do boropose is very bad. Only you go and borrow clothes that have stolen from someone else, from somewhere else.
Madam, hello. Hello, bros. Your son no dey. He go school never come back. Any problem? No problem. I be wan buy something, but no worry, I'll come back when he come back. That your son dey get understanding. This one where they look for my son. Hope say no be wetin I dey think o.
A few hours later.
G. Yes, mommy. Come. I wan comot. I wan go carry something. I dey come back now. Say the things wey you fit sell. No sell my market on credit o. Yes, mommy.
So you didn't go home. You didn't go home. You were waiting.
But good afternoon. Good afternoon. How far now?
Fine.
I wan buy rice. How much be 1 cup of rice?
100 naira.
Sharp. Very smart kid. Put 17 cups.
Okay, brother.
Are you sure
Do
this
fast
kid know what
o
he's
before your
doing?
mama come back.
The kid does not even know how to sell his mother's provisions.
Sharp. So how much be this 17 cups?
Brother, now 1,000.
Oh, sharp.
No.
Very smart kid. Now once you dey there, use the 200 naira buy something for yourself. And you know say you no go tell your mama say customer dash you money because she go seize am from you.
Brother, now why I separate am?
Sharp.
You know
Very
how to
smart
thief.
kid. Life is simple.
This boy will not kill me. You know how to thief, but you don't even know mathematics. You can't even calculate how much is this and how much is that. What a child. Oh, let's see this one from MC Lion. You know what's coming.
Sleep now, please. Look
give me the money for the hair. You want to go out there?
This your head, they give me a headache. You no go chill. They go hustle now. If I hustle finish, I will give you your money.
Babe, I need this hair. I need this money like this.
I dey go work. I bet me Friday I'll come spray the fridge.
Wait till they worry this one. Who will be this one?
Hello. Come.
Okay, if I don't get more money for it, go like this, now so I'm gonna be like, who they Chris? You know, now my baby this.
Hey, don't worry. Let me just hear what he wants to say.
Hi.
We just pray.
Where will you go?
What's going on here?
Jesus. Hey! You have the mind to be calling me baby after I pay half of your bride price. You are stopping on the road and talking to another man, Abi? Your father and mother is here. Yeah? So all of what I'm hearing is true. Yeah. You are letting this bad giver from your mother.
No, Daddy, mommy, calm down now. See.
Again.
Wait till they worry this one. Who will be this one?
And so what? It's not even Benz. Now Range Rover the guy park.
Baby, calm down now,
Calm down for what?
He actually gave me this Benz picture. It's for you and 50 million naira.
The question I'm for more.
For him.
God forbid.
Yes, that Benz is for you. And 50 million.
Cover my nyash with the blood of Jesus.
Amen. But if you can pregnant my wife, because I want a son.
Thank God you did it too.
Now you are rich.
I swear we are rich. I love this kind of business. Can somebody give me this kind of business? I'm joking, but if I see one, I will tell you. That money is due, yo. And it's big car gift. Let's see this one from KZ Nation. Like everybody came to a shop ride and going with their own ride. So let's see which ride KZ Nation is going to go with.
Mama day, but this guy's made a drive pass. I don't think I last. This car mad, dude. Where are you? Bros, I've been nervous. I see my motor.
If you move, I'll blast your head. Hello, Chief. Yes, they don't complete too.
I don't follow, I beg.
Keep quiet. Yes, they come now, Chief.
You get why I enter here, bros. I beg, you get why?
You go soon know why.
You go explain. You will tire. You have the effrontery to enter, walk into somebody's car that you don't know how it got there.
Uncle, don't tell me that. Uncle, during your own time, like they select one for you. See that our own time, like I marry whoever I love. What do you mean? So you want your church to make tradition? This family will choose wife for everybody I want to marry. Even your father will choose wife for him. Now my papa be that too. You know, from apple from my own end. I marry whoever I love. That is it. Kill him.
Oh. I cannot see anything. Why would you choose wife for me? Who are you, father? Let me choose the wife that I love by myself. And you, will you marry me? Yes, no.
Because you have stolen my heart.
Steady your face job for me.
Oh, will you marry me?
I wanna take a picture so this will last longer.
Lord of Jesus.
You see, it works now.
God, what's up? God help me now that day.
Thank you for coming, This one there. Now the best one done do so far. What's the stand for them? Snap your wife, Joe. Hey! Where your brother?
Huh? No, this man is wicked. Look at the wife they got him. Look at the wife they got him. See.
And
You think you are wise? You think you are wise?
Baby, will you marry me? No. Baby,
as old as
Be
you
my
are, you're
wife.
practicing how
My
to
lovely
engage, propose to a
wedded
girl.
wife. That will work, that will work.
Yeah, Wasabi. See, I see they walk up. You are faster than your shadow. Me, I be your shadow, but don't they go front. Now you the one. Now you they go my boyfriend side. Now you the marry him.
Just wait.
As I they follow you, they talk now. If I reach that place, you open this your gutter mouth. And they talk to you. You do waiting they worry you in up. Voila. If you reach that place now, you shut up your mouth. You might find a FEM. You close your mouth. Motell and say my ex-husband and my ex-boyfriend. Say I don't beat them. Now waiting make them bring me back to your house. In an instant, not that they say they beat you for house. Now go they answer me. They answer me. Okay, they make it.
Wasabi, don't hear now.
Help me. Who be that? What do you call me? Now you know me now. If you try rubbish, you take it in Kakolopan. As they go now, you go coordinate yourself. 1-0. In an event now, take your yellow, red and wait to make you wear. We can go now. Yes. Comport. No one. I have Wasabi. Let's go.
Hello, motherfucker.
Relax. Tell me, Boyana. Papa, no, never.
Daddy, baby.
Mama road. You know me before.
You see this diamond ring they give you like this. Now diamond ring God they say 600,000.
Yeah!
I just dodge her from inside shop, come give you make carry and go propose. I beg, as you finish your proposing, just bring her, come back. I know when you say my God sack me because of you. Trust me, I beg.
The price actually fell a skeleton down. Like it fell it down. No, God, on the floor.
How would the business of the
He made away with the ring. Like, the girl will just say, I might see the ring set.
Sir, the ratio decidendi of my peregrination and globetrotting to come and indulge you in this indaba and tete-a-tete is because of how exorbitant, extortionate, OTT, and boisterous the rate of things are in this our genteel country.
It's a pity.
You know, the economy is no more encomiastical, approbatory, laudative, rapturous, and panegyrical. What do you have to say about this?
Like I will always tell you all. Principal, I've told you severally, and I will continue to say that whenever you want to put words to me, say it in a formula that is understandable.
You joking? Who is actually talking? Like, who is this man mimicking?
Explainable.
If you know the man,
and
let me see your comment.
For anyone to understand.
Okay.
Am I clear?
If you look at the status quo, the modus operandi and modus vivendi, or the agendum of this Correro and colloquy, is because of the fact that the price of premium motor spirit has mushroomed and burgeoned to the proliferate.
Oh, it is a pity for you.
Why has fuel increased and skyrocketed so much?
If the price of fuel has skyrocketed, stop buying it. You will not notice it anymore. It's what you want to achieve that you keep on noticing. Allow the fuel to be and focus on other things.
Please,
God have mercy upon us.
The hoi polloi and wanachi, the denizens, the compost mentis homo sapiens, are indulged in a state of cantankerous ramshackle. How? Why? When?
This man will kill us.
Why has the insecurity galvanized and propelled to the climax?
The country is safe. Our Nigerian police force are putting in efforts. The Air Force, the military, the naval, And the local securities are trying to ensure there is peace in the nation.
Sir, last but not the least, this one affects me personally. The price of dried and granulated tapioca extract, monosaccharide and arachis apogia has exponentially skyrocketed. How can the hoi polloi and Wanachi afford it?
We do not say grind and grind, dry, granulated, and then monosaccharide and disaccharide. We don't say those things in Nigeria. So let us to be and focus in our economic growth and the well-being of the citizens.
If you look at the inception and concept origo of this indaba and my confabulation, you can actually deduce that I've been very serene and very, very demure. But at this junction, intersection and sangam, I want to hit the nail on the head. I want to recapitulate and also reiterate that we are ready for another protest because we cannot continue taking this. As I'm talking to you, the compost mentis homo sapiens, the denizens, the hoi polloi and one and two of this nation have already converged outside, waiting for me to finish this dialogue with you. Then we'll continue with the protest. We are starting this protest again. There's absolutely nothing you will do. This is not like the time that you bribe me. There is nothing that you will.
We are in business now.
This is what I'm talking about. Nigerians are not patient. You are working. You're doing your job as the president. This is the best government we've ever had in this nation. A president that has the thoughts of the denizens at mind. You're doing very well, sir. This protest will not hold. You're working for this country. It's just that Nigerians are too blind to notice the job that you're doing for this country. You sleepless night, you work for this country. In fact, let me call them and tell them to halt this protest. There's no need for it because you're working. They will understand very soon. Principal. Hello? That man. I just finished the dialogue with the president. No, he's working. Don't worry. Principal. Everything will be fine. There's no need for protest. You know what you do? All of you just go to the nearest hotel, get a room, eat everything you want, drink anything you want. Once I come, I'll speak to you people and clear the bills. It's okay. Thank you. Mr. President, I really appreciate it. This is how to rule a nation. Thief. This is how to rule the city. I'm robber. Once I go there, there will no need for the protest. God bless you, sir.
Will you stop that? What are you trying to do?
Sir, you gave me.
You want to take my money?
Jesus.
My son gave me this money as a gift. I just wanted to ensure they are still in my drawers.
I thought you wanted to give me so we will not continue the protest.
Did I stop Nigerians from protesting? What are you? They should go ahead and protest.
Sir, they've already ordered some. They are calling me. Hello?
Hello, we don't order everything. The
Oh.
bill is 6.2 million.
You've already launched your everything is 6.2 million.
You gonna explain tire.
It's a pity. How are we going to do? They've already ordered things in my name.
Look at the people you want to fight for. They have already squandered 6.2 million.
Gaga to one gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
This president want to kill everybody. He's no. That guy that is talking like blah blah.
Baba, this period nothing they go well for me again. Now the reason why I come here make help me check whether person time me. Hey! Because I just say now you they run them and the girls are active.
The time.
Is that what you want? I'm on there. I'm going for that for. Oh, go ahead, go better one me. Oh, my father, go. Make them back to go repay for you. They could not eat. My son, the girls told me now. Before they go do anything for you, you are going to pay the girls 2 million. What do you mean? Hey! 2 million? Yes. And Baba, only 2.5 million I there for us now. You want to see? I don't know if you do that. I don't know if you do anything. Baba, I go do one. But Baba.
Organic.
Nah, if you get like 5K for your hand, what do you mean? I use transport go. Just 5K.
Let's have it.
This is business.
Let's have it. Come on,
Don't worry. You go do. Oh yeah. No tell. No tell. You hear? Wait, go for 2 million.
My first cash out. Like this now you don't sort.
Hey!
I can't keep myself.
Allow me to flex.
If I get 2 million naira, I will find who tie me.
Hey! They play, Baba. If this guy has two, in fact, if I have 2 million naira, you think I'll be looking for anybody that I they play? Let's see this one. Rukky taking oversized bowling. Somewhere to knock. Pa, gone wrong. It went wrong. I don't know. This one will kill me too. Jesus. Take a booty gada. Alababu baby. This one will finish me. Look, you are too small for all this. You're too small for all this. Only you. Ha.
Hello? Yes, now I don't tell you now. Now major link now you trade the Bitcoin with now. Yes, now anything we consign Bitcoin and keep card and a major link now they be the fastest, the most reliable and everything now. Baba trade with them and they busy. I'll call you back. Baba, I'll call you back.
I really come to me for work.
What? Should be saying my pin you now. Not if pin you now, you go bend and move do the normal style.
No, you know that style now we say you just you know since I did like this, I did flexible.
Oh,
you know like you suspend that forever.
You know why they do like that? Now you're supposed to say pin not be for everybody now. You know they see your size.
No, but you know they see my size. Why no pin me? I don't understand.
Pin not be for everybody. Now should be saying my pin.
Should be pin not be for. I did flexible. You go fit. You know if you carry me. Now what they try to?
Be flexible. Move your bend. I should be saying my pin you now.
Guy, lift me up, Jerry. Come. Come it. Lift me up first now.
Am I going to lift you up?
You go carry me.
I'm sure be saying my carry. You know they see your size. I don't know if you carry you now.
If you pin me down,
You don't do it, oh.
Don't they pin you for one?
You just
You
pray.
go lift me up now. My leg go day up.
I want to lift
suspend
you up.
that.
But they talk like say you know the sue you. They follow the talk. I want to carry you pin you now.
You say you are man enough.
Why they do like that? Now you don't take pin not be for everybody now. You go bend more, do more man. I'm sure be say my pin.
I say you dey man enough now. You dey capable.
Man enough now the normal man job now. Why you go dey talk now? I want to pin you now. They talk like say you know they see your size. Pin not be for everybody.
I am like if you no fit pin me, I know they do abeg.
Why you do like this now?
Okay,
I know they like the way
if you
you
know they fit pin me,
You go come hear people here say people dey inside this place. You don't bend now.
Oga, I say pin me na pin I want. Which one be?
I want to pin you. I beg come on, I know they like the way you take the talk.
I know they do abeg.
You know they see your size. Say I pin you. I dey tell a pin person like this. So pin not be for everybody now. But say okay, I want to carry you pin you for what with this myself.
Pin me now.
But they talk and say you don't know person where they follow.
As no fit pin me now, no problem. I know they do.
If they do like this, say you know they do now. Why they behave like this?
This woman is wicked.
I want to pin you now. Pin
You
not be for
expect this
everybody.
little tiny boy to stay
You go bend now. Which one be say
I know they bend. If you know they pin, I know they do. Don't be telling say you be Mr. Capable. I beg you.
You know they do. You got the waka. I beg give me my hair. I know they like what this what you do. You don't talk like say you know they see yourself.
You know they even bought air for you. I'm making an
Come on.
Collect your air.
How they pay someone with the belly.
I bought air for you and you're looking for who will pin you. Who will pin you on the wall. How can that slim boy hold
Boss,
you or carry you?
Good evening, sir. How is work and the family?
Let's listen. This is Lasisi.
I'm not sending you this message on behalf of anyone. I think I owe it to myself and my family. And to be honest, I never thought I would be here doing this at this time. First, I don't even know how to say this. I honestly don't even know how to go about this. I feel like I'm trying my best to keep myself and be as respectful. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. God. I miss you. I miss you. God, I beg.
Mr. T has shown us.
God help me not that. I miss
you are not missing Mr. M. It's not fair.
So this is love.
It is not fair. The way they are turning things in this country, they are showing us extremely shaky. This one is engaging. Let's see from official.
This man!
See, Ishiagu won't engage, you won't accept the ring. Tomorrow now to push picking come out could be problem. If they see the mistake one they make.
What do you mean?
See the person who want engage, you see in head. See they can head.
Limau!
Ishiagu. And it's true. Ladies, watch the kind of men going to everything, all the enthusiasm, everything that you guys had took you to sell. In fact, prison. You're going to serve and you're going to learn the hard way. Let's say this one, Papa or Mama or son.
Fine girl. I heard that this place is the best car stand around this area. I don't want to go for those Rolls Royce. I think I like this one. How much it be?
Sir, if I should advise you, the next building are selling bicycles and it's not expensive. It's just 40,000 naira.
Yeah. Are you mad? I tell you say I want to buy bicycle. No, the car I tell you say I want to buy. Something to worry for your head. What do you mean? Is it how you insult people? Eh? Anybody where you see? How much be this car?
How can you be advising me to buy bicycle?
What about 1.8 million? 2 million naira I don't buy them. I don't blame you. Maybe you're one of those people that sees me around when I was trekking. You forget the proverb that said, he who trek today, tomorrow if he buy Benz.
A guy who trek today, if he trek tomorrow, cannot be 200,000.
Are you stupid? Are you no man? In fact, I want...
Hey, Oga, you don't break the windscreen, oh. Oga!
No panic. I want to see the owner of the car stand. I want to pay and get her from this place. I don't have your time. You have made me to break the windscreen, Abi. Go, your Oga! As I pay for this car, I will make sure he sack you. Don't worry, bet me.
What's going on here? What's going on here?
Is this man, he just broke the windscreen.
Young man, what's the problem?
I've received enough insult from your worker.
Is that why you should break the windscreen?
Yes. I want to prove to her that I want to buy the car. In fact, go and write the receipt. I'm not here to talk plenty.
Imagine.
Go and bring the documents. Let me get her from this place. 2 million or 1.8 million. Go and bring the receipt. Let me get her from this place.
Sorry. I apologize on behalf of the girl. Let me go and write it for you. I'm coming.
Papi, you know what
don't worry,
you
will hear from me.
Sorry, sir. I don't want to lose my job. Pay for the car first before you lock me up.
Okay. This is the receipt.
Yes.
Thank you, my brother. Very, very cheap. So now because of 5.5 million, I make you to talk to me anyhow.
550 million naira. You know they take them.
What do you mean? Are you okay?
You know take away you break the windscreen.
Which day Toyota Camry reach 550 million? What are you trying to tell me? Are you sure you are normal?
Hey! Go and check the front. Go and check. Go on.
Now better I teach na Toyota. I dey see bed design. Now Chevrolet now break. Go
Now bed did they see ba? You know no say na Chevrolet. This windscreen alone na 50 million naira.
Okay, you don't buy Chevrolet though. Congratulations in advance.
Congrats
to my boys.
Sir. They make mouth.
See, you will negotiate on how to pay with them,
So na cash or transfer? Or na 6 feet you want? I go prefer that 6 feet.
I swear.
Wetin they do there na underground?
Go ask your grandfather. That 6 feet sef go make sense. At least by the time we don't do the burial finish, small money if you come out.
So you don't even get money to buy the car. I be advised to make you buy bicycle. You know agree. Okay, collect the key. You don't buy new car.
Move it. Mother, go. Come on.
Hell. Slap on his head. Like the guy is asking questions and they told him go ask your grandfather. I like that. Go and ask your grandfather. After damaging everything, then you go. Let's see Rukky, another one from Rukky.
I don't tire. The girl no one call Greek go ask again. They making her 3 days now. Baba, they tell you say yesterday, I called the giver a line say I won't go my guy's side. I called say she go so okay, say she did go. I go my guy's side, come back. This girl still like down for bed. Baba, I don't try all the scope. I don't try. I don't just know what I won't do again. Baba, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. What's up now, babe?
I've been looking for you.
What's up now?
I'm looking for you. What are you doing here?
I just came to take a call outside here.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done with the call. But babe, I don't know. My mom just called me now.
Give her one chance.
She said she's coming to see me this evening. So I don't know if you can go to your side first. Then when she comes, as soon as she goes back, then I'll call you to come back.
That's not an issue now. She can come. It's your mom, right?
Yeah, my mom.
It would be nice for me to see her now.
No, now you understand how these things now. She's my mother now, so to be somehow if she comes and
was actually landing.
There's a way it is now.
Your mom will be very happy to see me, self. And I know. I know now.
No, now, baby.
That's not an issue. Don't worry. I will wait for her.
Babe, carry your things. Go your sides now. I'm not like all these things now. You go your ass now.
Sure? Oh, wait. If you try to pursue me, you want me to go?
You should be sad to pursue you now. You come visit person, you still go your house now. You just come 3 days now, you sit down for Koroko. You get house before. So, I better still try go your side.
I'm not going anywhere. I've come to stay.
Come to
my house. I came to my man's house. So, that's one issue.
Your man don't, you don't overstay your welcome at here. I better not lie.
Hey, Rukky. So, you want to bring another year come to say, now what do you want to do? No, 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 this line. Wait,
when you come to house, you meet another girl for inside. So, this person, you go see go your house. You see that Kokoroko, yeah, now your house.
This is my mom's house, so I can say.
I better come out.
Man, okay.
I will stay. Let your mommy come. All of us will stay together.
Then you go pack your things, I beg. Sure? You just go past here, you just that Kokoroko. You be tell me before so you walk come stay here. Sure?
Hey, you don't fuck fish. You want to make her go my house, Abi? I don't fuck fish. You want to make her go house? I know they go anywhere. Like here I stand.
Where you stand?
I stand for this house. My boyfriend's house. Yes.
Go stay the house. Share the food stuff when the kitchen finish. Share you go out. You cannot be feed that kitchen.
The hunger will kill us. We'll kill both of us together in this house.
Enter the house, you go stay.
I will stay.
I'm gonna leave the house for you.
Which house? Rukky, you're not going anywhere.
Because I food stuff there the kitchen. Not be when they get right to the station. Because I say kitchen, you don't be there kitchen, rice, everything there kitchen. No, Allah. If the food stuff finish, I'll see whether you go there.
You go buy her. You go buy her.
Life is nothing without you.
Just all this kind of men, man, they can spend.
My tomato pori. My baby.
Hey, babe. What? I want that money that you promised me now.
The money?
Yes, now. The money you promised me.
So I don't think, say, you see that my shop? The whole goods, way there inside, plus the shop, I don't put them for sale. Because of you.
Because of me?
Yes, now.
You the money.
As soon as I sell them, I'll carry the whole money. Where I make from the shop, can't carry.
All of them?
Yes, ma'am.
All of them?
I know my baby.
Are you serious?
My tomato pori. My boo-boo. Don't worry. No, I take love you. See, I feel say one of my kidney plus the other side of my heart. For you.
For me?
Yes,
for me alone?
Yes,
that's right.
My baby. I love you so
much. My
Excuse me, please.
I don't like.
Yeah, you.
I don't like the fact where
1 minute of your
somebody
time,
will just be walking, see me and my girlfriend and call the girlfriend. Like, you see somebody and his man and his girlfriend.
Hello.
But you chose to
please, who is that young man there with you?
Young man.
Don't treat
Who? I mean that man.
There's nobody here now.
They are don't turn to ghost.
Nobody.
Oh, okay. Anyways, I like you and I would like to have your number.
Hey! Give him. Hold your phone. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Which one be saying no they see me? I don't turn to ghost.
Oh, you mean this man?
Yeah, I was talking about him.
You should have told him that he's the man on yellow now that you're talking about. He's our village palm wine tap.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh, okay.
He used to bring palm wine for my father. So, as a matter of fact, we are heading towards the junction to go and withdraw money from POS that I will pay him for the palm wine imports for my father earlier this month.
Okay. That's not bad. That's good.
Yeah. Yes.
So, I don't know. Give me your number. Maybe one of these days,
can hang out. Understand? You know, say
Can this be real? I hope it's a comedy.
Where's that your name?
And the guy is just watching them. When you have blow or Ramo code,
This is a WhatsApp number, right?
Yes.
you know,
I will
you
chat you on
whack somebody
WhatsApp,
Ramo
okay?
code for back.
I'll be waiting.
I will call you so that you send me his number. So that you can be bringing power for me.
Okay, Nana, no say I dey follow who pass me. Nana, no say I dey follow who pass me.
Oh, this is sad. He left with shame and anger. I feel his pain. But the girl too do. Una too do. Just 3 months in abroad and
Can I ask you a question, if you don't mind? Can I get a balky?
Can you get what?
A balky. Balky. You know what they put water in it? Like balky. Balky, they put water.
Water.
Yeah.
Bucket.
Balky.
must be kidding.
December, yeah, baby, I'm on free abroad. Bucket.
Bucket. Just 3 months in abroad and you don't start with the same bout. I think I've seen this kind of people. I was scrolling down Instagram and they refer these people like they refer this is it Tanzania people or I don't know the country though. They refer me to them. They refer them to me and this is exactly the language I don't know that. Nothing about Is it? Thank you guys for watching this comedy compilation video, and I believe you enjoyed this wonderful comedy compilation video. Please, you know how it is, subscribe if you've not, and also turn the post notification bell icon. Like and share this video to all your social media platforms. All right, guys, what is Mama Chinedu up to? Like, what is he trying to become? Come on, I beg, start giving us content, comedy content with Chinedu. We miss those slaps you give Chinedu every time. Stop doing all these things. May no go use laugh kill us. What is eng dong tong tang 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 tong tong? I've seen something like this on Instagram though. They were eating monkey. These people that always eat monkey. I think I used one of their video to add skits. Yes, I think I did that. So guys, what do you think about the full compilation video from beginning till end? What do you think about it? Like, let me see the favorite moment that triggered you most. Because as for me, there are a lot of favorite moments that triggered most. And I'm going to be, giving a review or doing a review concerning some compilation video, like some videos in this compilation. All right, guys, what do you think about this particular one of Wasiu? Wasiu is something else, honestly. Wasiu is something else. And the comedy actually teaches us, stop living a fake life. That is exactly what this comedy is trying to teach. Some people love to borrow. And at the end of the day, you will go and borrow an item or a material that someone stole from somebody. You will go and borrow it, and at the end of the day, you get yourself in police custody just because you want to borrow. And these people that love to borrow, it is because they want to live life for somebody, because they want to impress people, because they want people to see them like, they are still trending, like they are still, all this kind of thing. And say they still day game, and it is not fair. It is not fair. It is not good like that. So what do you think about this particular comedy? I love the trick he used on this baba. Because most baba, all these babas that love doing fake charms for people, and at the end of the day, the thing they do for somebody will not work because they are fake. And that person might have given them so much money, like a huge amount of money, but at the end of the day, the thing he gave them money for will not work for them. So if you have those kind of baba, this is exactly what you should have done to that baba long ago. Instead of you packing your money to him, like just tell him whenever it bills you, tell you to go and bring huge amount. Tell him that, oh, you only have half of it here. Please give me transport. Give me transport, and I also buy other things like going to withdraw the money. So this baba will gladly give you the money. When he gives you the money, just go and relax. Go relax in GT or at GT. Go and eat. Eat the money, like, and just from there go home. Don't even go back. This is scam, jam scam. This is the real definition of when scam, jam scam. The guy actually played along immediately without even like doing anything like M. He didn't confuse, honestly. So, guys, what is the next comedy compilation that triggered you the most? As for me, I am going to be talking about this particular one. This particular one of MC Lion. I thought Lamba is actually going to snatch the girlfriend away from MC Lion. That was what the girl was expecting, and the girl was fully ready. Like, she was fully ready to even from there go away with Lord Lamba without even giving a about MC Lion, the boyfriend, just because she saw Range Rover, all those kind of things. But at the end of the day, it was something else, and the whole thing actually favored MC Lion. At first, he thought, this army boy they give person car. Which boy will come give person car millions like that if no be Gabriel? So at the end of the day, it turns out to be a double favor. Only you go enjoy. Only you go see get money. Ha! That kind of favor is real. It's real. And I know you that is watching me is even praying for such favor. Oh my, I need it to. If it's to be impregnating people. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, guys, what do you think? Would you accept this kind of offer for this amount of money? Would you accept this offer? Would you accept it just because they ask you to knock and got somebody's wife? Would you accept this offer for that job? Let me see your comment if you're actually going to accept it. As for me, let me tell you my mind. I will accept it. Full chest. With my full chest, I will accept it. Honestly. Let me see if you're going to accept it. Yes or no. Let me see. And also, I love this King Jabby's comedy. Like, it's my favorite in this compilation. I'm not going to lie. It's my favorite in this compilation. That T guy has actually dealt with Nigerians, yes. He has actually dealt with Nigerians, and this is exactly what is going on that we are not aware of. You see, many of these things have gone, in fact, have taken place long ago, even still taking place now. They don't even have us in mind. Look at what he said. Look at what Mr. T said. We should stop thinking to buy fuel. Stop buying fuel. At least that will help you to know that the price is not up. Imagine what they are saying. Well, I love the comedy. I love the comedy. It's actually a nice one from King Jabby. It's actually a very, very nice one from King Jabby. So what else are we going to talk about right now? Which comedy are we going to emphasize on? Is it about Rukky? The woman is wicked. Rukky is wicked and open. I won't buy him. How are you going to take this kind of to that kind of building just because you want to wipe somebody that's very bigger than you? Everything about her is bigger than you. You are very slim, and at the end of the day, she asks you to carry her up, and which power you want to do that one? I think before the woman left her home or her house, she has already made up her mind to buy Rukky. I think this is the way she has already said it to herself that she's going to buy Rukky. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, oh, let me not say anything. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this compilation video. I want to say a very big thank you for sticking around to this moment. Don't hesitate to subscribe. We are begging you, please. Please subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon. Like this video. Share it to all your social media platforms. And also, don't forget to comment. Comment that moment that you love the most. I've been seeing some people commenting their favorite moment or the moment that treat them the most in my comedy video, and I really love that and I appreciate that. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Please. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful time. Like I'm rolling out right now. Bye.